In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the t-shirt color or dress color in Canva. So recently I made a thumbnail regarding Rishi theme customization and I wear this blue color t-shirt. So I changed that blue color to a black color. So how I change the t-shirt color? So let me show you how you can also do that. So for this, let me create a new page here and let me copy the original image here. So you can remove the background using Canva, or you can use any online free tools like remove.bg like that. So once you add that image to your canvas, just click on that image and click on edit button. And before that, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So once you click on this edit button, let's click on adjust here. And here you will get some additional options, like you can change the temperature, brightness, contrast. So you will play around this and change the t-shirt color. So for this, all you have to do is increase the brightness level a little bit, and after that you need to scroll down and here you will see the option color edit. So just click on the t-shirt color. So here I am wearing the light blue color, so I will select that color, and after that you will see three different options. One is hue, saturation and brightness. So we will play around this and change our t-shirt color. So first of all, let me reduce the brightness to 0, and as you can see that my t-shirt color is changed to a deep blue color. So I can then play around the saturation and you can see that it is now changed to a black color like this. So if I want to set the brightness to 0 level, set the saturation level to 0, and let me play around this hue, and as you can see that now the color is changed to a green color, and I can change it to orange color, or I can change it to a red color, and I can increase the saturation like this and it is changed to a red color like this. So in this way you can play around this hue, saturation and brightness and change the t-shirt color. So as you can see that now it is changed to a purple color or something like that, and let me change that, and as you can see that now it is changed to red or pink color. So in this way you can play around the hue, saturation and brightness and change your t-shirt color. I hope you have learned how to change the t-shirt color in Canva, but here remember that this will not work to all of the images. It will only work if you are wearing a single color t-shirt, and that should not be a white color or a black color. So if you are using any other color, then you can easily select that color and play around this hue, saturation and brightness and change your t-shirt or dress color. So if this video helps you, then make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.